I once had the life I'd always been told to aim for. Job, house, girlfriend, cat. The cat was the only thing I loved. Something had to change. As an unfit PlayStation addict, skateboarding across Australia turned how I saw the world and my place in it completely upside down. 13 years, thousands of miles, and a million yeses later, my work and lifestyle are the same thing. I love what I do. It keeps me alive. I'm no athlete, and I'm not blessed with a standout talent, but I do know that finding the magic that makes life habitually fun and rewarding doesn't happen by sitting in the same place every day. How cool that a little idea in our head can turn into a huge, epic story. I now travel the world helping people shape theirs. I've been shown so much kindness on my journeys, so if you need a little push towards your next adventure, just say hi. If I can help you make a difference, I will.